Alrighty. So the first one says confidence interval. In October 2008, in a 2008 poll, 684 of 1,006 randomly selected college students reported that they had been involved in an automobile accident within the last 5 years. Find the proportion of those surveyed who have been in an automobile accident in the last 5 years. Okay. So where'd that equation go? Would we do the p hat plus or minus z times p hat, or no?
No, it's actually more simple than that. It's the x over n.
Is that what that one is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're just dealing with the proportion. So that's your keyword, right? Your keyword is proportion. So you're just finding p hat, which is x over n.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, because like when you're reading it, it says like 684 of 1,006. So it's kind of just like that proportion. So
Right.
Just kind of a. Okay.
That's slice of the pie.
yeah.
Hey, question. Have you guys ever been in an automobile accident?
Yes.
Yep.
I haven't.
Was your wife on? Did you say your wife was in an accident?
What?
Me? Yeah, just once. The person just backed up, or not backed up, but like rear-ended her. So she was totally fine. The car was fine, but yeah. But any car accident is scary. So
Yeah.
Traumatizing.
Hey, Elena.
Yeah. I still have a thing about when people are stopping fast behind me.
I don't like that.
Mm-mm.
That freaks me every time.
Yeah, well, I got rear-ended, so that's why.
Oh.
The guy was like on his cell phone or something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
my mother got rear-ended because, well, the guy said he was looking at a paper, but
yeah, they're always like really vague.
So he was looking at his phone, I bet, and he just totally rear-ended her. But she's okay.
Yeah, there was like a pedestrian that walked out. Is like just instead of stopping at going across this like at the light when there was like a sign, she like went down and crossed that way, and so like the car in front of me stopped right away, and then I stopped right away, and the person behind me did not stop.
Oh no.
Yeah, but luckily it was just like a 25 miles per hour road, so.
Oh gosh.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Then B, it says check requirements in constructing a confidence interval for this data.
So that's just your NP hat is greater than equal to, or greater than or equal to 10, right?
Right.
Okay.
It's that. And then you check, they both have to be right for it to meet the requirement, or both be greater than, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Elena. How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Okay. Fine. Are you wearing your BYU sweatshirt too?
I am. Yeah, I'm a BYU Idaho. Yeah.
Oh, I missed the memo. Darn it. If they have to buy one.
I'm not wearing mine. It's okay.
The kids have one for college day at school. I bought them one. Okay.
Okay, so N is 1 times P hash.
Stop.
Is your cat just like trying to climb all over you?
Yeah, and every time I push her away, she comes back. She's like super
It's a
hairy.
game.
So, like you touch her and she just like, poofs.
Wow, that freaked me out for a second. I was like 683. In my mind I was thinking less than. I was like, whoa, that is way off. But no. No. So yeah, that one, the requirements are met, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay.
So, I think I understand this, but I just want to ask you guys real quick.
Uh-huh.
Um, I can hear myself repeating. Sorry.
That's a no. I can hear myself too.
It's gonna throw me off. Um, so on P, the, with the confidence. Gosh, I can hear it. I'm just gonna try that. Nope. Okay. So P is P hat. If I can hear, I just keep listening to myself. So for the confidence interval, we use the P hat. Because we're finding info for P, and then but before we were finding P hat, the standard deviation of P hat. So we use P. Right.
Are you talking about? Are you talking about C?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Or
Yeah.
D?
I was just talking about in general.
In general.
Yeah.
I don't know. Are they interchangeable?
I'm not so sure if they're interchangeable, but if you're trying to find one, then you use the other.
Okay.
So if I'm slow as I'm saying it, I'm like I can hear it and then I wait for myself to finish.
Yeah, I totally know how that feels because it works sometimes. Depending on the person's phone, like it'll sound like an echo, and I have to like close my eyes and just concentrate really, really hard. I can't. Oh, it's so hard. But,
Yeah, it's throwing me off. But
are your headphones plugged in all the way?
yeah, I think so. Most the caps on them. Yeah, they're reflective.
Yeah, they're reflective.
Okay.
You're insistent. Get back.
You're insistent. Back. So when you're finding the margin of error on C, it's not P hat, it's regular P that you plug in. So is it the same thing as the answer from A? Is that what you're plugging in? That answer?
Um,
Um,
yeah, I think you use p hat because we don't have an actual p that it says.
Because the estimator.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So what?
I've done most of these, but I'm kind of just like redoing them just because I was a little bit doing it like all in my head, so it like threw me off. Like, have you ever seen like the Grinch? And he like echoes back and forth to himself.
Yeah.
That's how I'm feeling right now.
And I like the line where he's like the echoing. He's like, "I'm an idiot. You're an idiot."
Exactly.
um. So then, do we use the m equals p, then the square root of p times 1 minus p all over n?
All that times
Is that
Z.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
what we use? Okay, so then what do we have for z?
Z is
Is that
determined by your confidence interval.
Okay. So that's just
So you can either put it into your probability applet or the 95 is the 1.9.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So it's 1 point, what was it, 1.95?
96.
96. And then the P, we can just make that the P,
Yeah.
right?
I noticed that we're in 4 places in the answers, the 3 places in the decimal point.
What was that?
Like on C, it's 0.0288, not 0.28. So is there a different rule? And then an A 0.699 instead of 0.8 or 68%.
Yeah, so I think on these ones, like on just like like what we're doing right now, I don't know if it matters completely just because we're not answering it in like a with the key or anything. So I don't know, like to get points for it. But on the quizzes, he always tells us like how many decimal places we need to get to. So yeah. So right now, I mean, if you got that answer, then I think that's okay.
Yeah, I think right now it's not mattering because it was saying you have to keep all the decimals to make sure your thing's right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Really annoying.
Okay, so D says construct and interpret the 95% caution of those who have been involved in automobile accident in the last 5 years. So that one is that like plus or minus, right?
Yeah.
That's the.
Did anybody plug it into the Excel spreadsheet?
I guess it could.
Yeah, you could.
The lower bound would the lower bound would be 0.51. Let me see.
I think you can also just calculate it. Because it would be the p hat plus or minus margin of error, which is what we just calculated.
Right.
So it'd be like the 0.67 plus or minus 0.028 with all your decimals.
If you do an Excel spreadsheet, it rounds it off.
Okay.
That's what I was looking at. Answer to the Excel spreadsheet. App.
It drives me insane, doesn't it?
Sally sells seashells. The seashore.
Somebody start row your boat.
So then did you guys get the 0.6511 and 0.7087?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Did you guys do it by hand then? Probably should practice that too.
Yeah, I did do it by hand. That's always easier for me.
Well, it probably will haunt me later on if I don't practice that.
Yeah, sometimes I feel like I
Sometimes
have
I
to
feel like I
work
have
on
to
it
work
that
on
way
it that way
sometimes for a little while
Mm-hmm.
so that I understand what I'm doing before I do it with technology.
Right. And that's the equation p hat minus
P
v over the square root of the confidence interval. I mean the margin or no p hat minus the margin of error. Is that for confidence interval?
Yeah, p hat
Yeah,
plus or
P hat
minus
plus
the
or
margin
minus
of error.
Right.
Right.
I see that.
Okay. So then for E, do we do the equation n equals z star over m squared, like all that squared, times p times 1 minus p?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, cool.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
The one we just talked about?
Well, so for E, because
Uh-huh.
we're looking for the number of students,
Okay.
so we're looking for n, so we would go to n equals the z over m squared times p times 1 minus p.
Okay. I'm looking. Oh, just the same for the sample size. N equals z over m squared. Okay, yeah. Got it.
Is p hat or
Or
0.6799.
prior
prior
estimate
estimate
of true proportion of
proportion of
successes?
successes.
That's what I have
That's
is
what I
the
have.
p
It's
star.
T star.
Okay.
Like if we have a prior estimate for p,
P
you'd use the p star,
star,
which is the n equals
the n equals
z star over m,
star over m,
all that
all
squared,
that squared,
times p
times
star
P star
times 1 minus p
times
star.
1 minus P star.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Are
what
you
I
guys on
was.
number 2 already?
Are you guys on number 2 already?
No, on E.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
on E.
I'm on E.
Oh. Okay, well, it looks like we were doing the wrong equation.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
I just looked at the key to see if I did it right. Um, well, at least I was doing the wrong one. And the one that it says we need to do is the n equals z star over 2m, and all of that squared.
So as if there were
So
no
as if
prior
there were no
estimate?
prior estimate?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, look, that's what it looks like it has.
Did you get a
So,
huge, big
Did you
number
get a
for the
huge
first
big
one?
number for the first
yeah, because we're looking how many students we'll need to survey to get that. So, yeah, it should be a big number.
I got 17,000
I
and
got
17.
17,000
Yeah, so the key's different in that, actually.
Oh, is it?
Oh, is it?
So it looks like what we're gonna have to do is put like n equals z star, which is 1.96, over 2 times the margin of error, which in this case we don't want any more than 0.015. So we would do the m is 0.015, and then that whole thing is squared. So when we
Okay.
do that,
Okay.
we do 1.96 divided by 2 times 1.5. There we go. Okay, cool.
Did you get 4269?
4269.
Yep, that's what I got.
Alright.
Mom, does this mean I need to brush it. I need to brush it.
Let me do that. All right, finally got the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, are we on 2A?
Okay, are we on 2A?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it says, now you are interested in testing a claim for over 60% of all students who have been in a car accident within the last 5 years. Use the same info as above and use a level of significance at 0.05. State the null and alternative hypothesis. We would say the null is that.
Swifty?
What were you gonna say, Victoria?
I was just gonna say,
I was just gonna say,
it says the claim for
it says the claim
60%.
for 60%.
Yeah.
So your null
So
would be
your
like
null would be like
P equals
E
0.6.
equals 0.6.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because your
Yeah,
P is like
0.6
your
and
U
P is
from
like
before.
your U from before.
Uh-huh.
So the null is, do we write it?
So the null is,
A
do we write it?
sub O
A
is equal
sub O
to
is
0.6.
equal to 0.6.
What was that again?
What was that again?
How do we state the null
How do we state the null
hypothesis?
hypothesis?
So your null would be like
Null would
P
be like
equals
P
0.6.
0.6.
Right.
Right.
So your alternative
Your
hypothesis,
alternative hypothesis
Greater than?
greater
yeah,
than.
greater than.
Yeah, greater than.
Okay. Good night, honey.
Good night, honey.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the test statistic
So
would
the
be the
test
same as
statistic
the Z-score.
score.
Yeah, it's that Z equals
What's the password?
value minus the mean, which is P hat minus P
786.
over standard deviation.
Right.
Right.
Just looking at it.
Just looking at it.
And on this one, because
And
we're
on
doing
this one, because
standard
we're doing standard
deviation,
deviation,
we just use
we
P,
just use
not
P,
P hat,
not P hat.
right?
Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
you guys get a really high
You guys get a
Z-score?
really high Z-score?
Yeah, I got 5.173.
Okay, I got
I got
5.174.
5.174.
That's basically the same.
I think in the answers it
I
says
think in the answers it says
0.7, 0.173.
0.7.173.
Okay. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay.
I'm sorry, what is P
I'm sorry, what is P
formula for B?
formula for B?
P is 0.6.
P is 0.6.
Okay. Did you guys get a large number?
Hit a large number.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I got
I got
5.174.
5.174.
So when we're trying to find the p-value, would we make it shaded on the right and left wings?
This one, the
This
alternative
one, the alternative
hypothesis,
hypothesis
is P
is
greater than
P
0.6.
greater than 0.6.
Oh, okay.
So you'd
Oh,
shade
so
to
it's
the
not
right.
right.
To the right.
Okay. Okay.
It's really weird, huh?
It's really weird, huh?
Yeah, it's 1.1518 times 10 to the negative 7, which is basically 0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is actually where I
This is
stopped
actually
when I
where I
was doing my
stopped when I was
homework.
doing my homework.
I was like,
It
it can't be that.
can't be that.
It bothered me.
Bothered me.
Hey, so Victoria, are you going back up to, well, are you going back to Rexburg? Where do I get this? Like this next semester?
No, I don't go back
No,
till
I
spring.
don't go back to the spring.
I mean
Oh,
fall.
cool.
I mean fall.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you're
Yeah.
fall winter then?
Yeah.
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 Okay, cool. So you just wanted to stay home for the for that semester?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weird.
Kind of weird.
So when you go back, are you gonna go like back to Rexburg or just do classes online?
Back to Rexburg.
Back to Rexburg.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, this semester was just kind of
This
a
semester
random
was
one
kind
that
of a random one that
everything kind of fit in.
everything kind of fit in.
That you could do online classes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's fun. I bet you're staying busy with all those online classes though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My grandma came
My
by
grandma
today,
came by today.
and she's like, every time I come
Like
over
every
here,
time
you're
I come
sitting in
over
the
here,
same
you're sitting in
spot
the same
every
spot
day.
every day.
I'm like, this is where I
Like,
am.
this
Since
is where I am.
7.
That's funny.
Uh,
Okay. And then D is, what decision do you make about the null hypothesis? We would fail to reject, correct?
I gotta
I
look at
gotta
the
look at the
alpha
alpha
p-value
p-value
thing.
Okay.
I always forget.
I always forget.
If p is
If
smaller
P is
than
smaller than
alpha,
alpha,
reject the
reject
null.
the null.
Okay, yeah, so P is definitely smaller. So yeah, we would reject the null. So then the alternative, or then when we state our hypothesis, um, we would say under 60% of the students have been in car accidents within the last 5 years.
Um,
Um,
I think we can't just say
I
a
think we can't
statement.
just say a statement.
I think we have to say like there's
I think we have to say
sufficient
like there's
evidence.
sufficient evidence.
Conclude that the true population of students to have been in car accident was greater than 60%. The key says we have sufficient evidence to conclude that the true proportion of students that have been in a car accident within the last 5 years is greater than 60%.
Yeah, because
Cool.
we're rejecting
Yeah,
the
because
null
we're
that says it's
rejecting the null
0.6.
that says it's 0.6.
Gotcha.
So it means you kind of accept the
Kind of
alternative.
accept the alternative.
Gotcha. So then how would we know if it was less than 60%?
If our
If our
alternative.
alternative.
Oh, yes. Gotcha. I'm sorry, that was a dumb question. I shouldn't have asked.
There's no dumb questions.
There's no dumb questions.
Today, or just right now, for some reason, I just thought of a plaque that someone that I work with has at his desk. It looks like one of those really cute ones that has like the cute quotes. Like it's all like black. It's painted black and then has like the nice lettering on it. It looks really like crafty and all that stuff.
Word type.
But on it says it says some people just need a high five, and then in smaller letters in the head, and then in smaller letters with the chair.
I've seen that before.
I thought that was pretty funny, and after I asked that question, I just thought of that. So that was pretty funny.
I'm trying to catch up here, sir. We spelled it back because the p-value is greater than alpha, right?
Correct.
We're just saying there's sufficient evidence that over 60%
That over
of
60% of students
have been in a car
have been
accident.
in a car accident.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question. When I put in my test statistic in the output, my area was 2.2913, exponent -7, whatever, but the answer is different. 1.15. Is we supposed to shade? It's too small to shade anywhere.
No, that's right. It's a really weird Z-score.
Z-score.
You got 2.29 also?
I have the Z-score is 5.174, and the area is 1.145 times 10 to the -7.
I don't know why it didn't. Why didn't you? So Victoria, what do you think the reason why I'm getting a different p-value from the same test statistic?
Before you changed it, did you have it shaded on both ends?
I didn't do any shading. It's so small.
Alright, go to your z-score and put 1 in,
Okay.
and then make sure that you're only shaded to the right of the positive z-score.
Okay.
Because our z-score is positive. And then put in your new z-score, or the 5.174.
Okay. Okay. So that did make a difference.
Oh, good.
But you have to round it off still.
If you
Alright.
put in all the numbers, it rounds it up for you.
Oh, because it gave me 1.1457. E for -7.
Yeah.
Okay.
It just means it's really small. So
Yeah. Right.
it's still less than alpha.
Well, I'm just worried about that because it's usually those kind of things that really sting my tests or quizzes. Details. Okay, Walker. So when you're in San Salvador,
What was that?
when you're on your mission,
Sorry, when I was on my mission, did I what?
did you eat a lot of pupusas?
Oh, yeah. We eat those like every day.
Yeah. It's weight on you for sure.
Yeah, I actually lost a lot of weight on my mission.
Really?
But most of it was just... Yeah, well, I lost all my muscle and gained a lot of flab. So, overall, I lost a lot of weight, but... Yeah. So... But yeah, all those pupusas were so good.
Yes, they are
They were
good.
very... So you've had pupusas before?
Yeah, at some of the Mexican markets, they have a taqueria where you can get tacos and different Latin food.
Oh, that's fun. Yeah, I love pupusas.
You can get the cheese one.
Uh-huh. I can eat way too many pupusas.
I actually don't know what that is.
It's kind of like a stuffed tortilla.
Right.
Like if you think of it like that, like they just get like dough, and they just make it in like a little. They put it like in their palm, and then they put cheese and meat, sometimes little vegetables in them, and then they just close it up, and then they just like flatten it out like this, and then they fry it on a pan.
So like an
With
It's like an
empanada?
empanada.
It's like an empanada.
Yeah, it's kind of like
Okay.
an empanada.
Okay.
My dad's
But
from
it's,
Argentina,
And that's
so
from Argentina, so
it's empanadas.
it's empanadas.
Yeah.
Wait, you said your
Yeah.
dad's from Argentina?
Mhm.
Oh, cool. What part of Argentina is he from?
Just north of Buenos
Just
Aires.
north of Buenos Aires.
Oh, okay, cool. Awesome. I have one of my best friends served in Argentina. So.
Yeah. A lot of
Yeah.
people, I think,
A lot of
are going out there.
Going out there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, there are a lot of
They-
missions in Argentina.
They need to
They need to
convert my family because none of them remembers.
members.
So, are you the only is your family the only members?
Yeah, my dad converted
Yeah,
when he
my
came
dad
over to the
converted
U.S.
U.S.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
There are a lot of Italians.
There are a lot of
in Argentina.
Italians in Argentina.
Yeah, my grandpa was
Yeah,
Italian.
my grandpa was Italian.
Really?
One of my
That's cool.
classmates was
One of my classmates was
Italian,
Italian.
and she said there's a lot of Italians
There's
there
a
too.
lot of Italians here too.
Yeah. Yeah, my last name's Caniglio, so that's Italian.
Right. I figure your
Yeah,
name
last
sounds
name's
Italian.
Niglio. Name sounds Italian.
All right. Are we ready to take the quiz?
Everybody take the quiz?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this quiz is only 16 questions, but I don't think it should take us very long, so that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looking at number 3.
We got number 3.
Alright, perfect. So number 3, the symbol for the true population proportion is, isn't that p hat?
I think it's just P.
I think it's just P.
Ah, crap. Okay.
Your
mean,
P
I'm
hat
glad I
is
have
the
you
point
guys.
estimator.
Point estimator.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. I'm glad I have you guys here.
It's alright. It's late.
Correct.
I probably
It's
went with
late.
P hat.
I probably went with P hat.
Okay.
Okay.
Confidence interval.
Okay, perfect.
I put true
Put
for number
true
4.
for number 4.
Yeah, that's what I did too. I worked it all out. Because didn't you get the first one, like n times p hat is equals 10,
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
and then the next one was like 75 or something like that.
Yeah, I think I
Yeah,
got
I
90.
90.
Oh.
I did
Well,
1 minus
1 minus 0.1
times 100.
times
Okay,
100.
so
Okay, so
if I was doing this quiz on my own, how would I do number 4?
How would I do number 4?
Use the
Use
requirements.
requirements.
So the n times
N times
1 minus p
1
hat
minus p hat
is greater than or
is
equal
greater than or
to
equal
10.
to 10.
Okay.
Yeah, and n times p hat
Times p hat
is greater than or equal to
greater than or
10.
equal to 10.
It's just like the other
Just
ones.
like
with
the other ones
using
with
p
hat,
hat, because you're using the confidence interval.
because you're using the
So it's true.
so it's true.
Okay. The requirements for kind of about this are
About this are
So 5 would be the
5
same,
would be
right?
the same, right?
Yeah, I just got true also.
So when you're testing or conducting a hypothesis, how do you answer number 5? To find the requirements to do the NP greater or equal to 10 stop equation?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You use N and P instead of N and P hat.
instead of N and P hat.
NP. Okay. Are y'all waiting on me?
That's okay.
Number 6. So P hat is just 45 over 6.
Yeah.
Okay. So number 6, 0.75.
Yeah, that's what I got.
What did you get? 0.75?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Me too.
Okay, 95%. For the true proportion of the stable difficulty.
So for number 7, did you get B, the 0.640 and 0.860?
I'm just looking at it now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, perfect.
What answer did you guys get?
I got the second choice, the 0.640 and 0.860.
Okay. Constructing.
Okay, and then 8, I got a... Wait.
isn't the rule.
This is the rule.
If n
If
increases,
n increases,
m
m
decreases.
decreases.
Yeah, that's what I meant to do. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so the margin of error would decrease. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. 7 seconds first too. Okay.
Okay.
You guys are on 8 now?
You guys are on 8 now? Okay.
I need help with this
I need
one.
help with this one.
What did you guys say?
Okay.
If n
If n decreases,
or
or
they're
they're
inversely
inversely
proportioned.
proportioned.
So if one
So
increases,
if
the
one
other
increases, the other
decreases.
decreases.
It's so repetitive.
So
I can't
repetitive.
even- Did you say it's staying the same?
So if the sample size
So if the
increases,
sample size increases,
Uh-huh.
then the margin of error
then the margin of
decreases.
error decreases.
So it's B.
It's
Second. Okay. So when you're dealing with confidence interval, you're dealing also with a margin of error. Those are related.
Those are related.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your width of
Your
the
width
confidence
of the
interval is
confidence
your
interval is your
margin of error.
margin of error.
Okay.
So it's kind of the
It's
area
kind of
that
the area that
you can get wrong in, or
Oh, okay.
that the answer is in that area,
Okay.
but you don't know where exactly the answer is.
I should probably know that by now.
It's all right.
A month late. Okay. Answer is here. Number 9. Okay. Those P's.
Conduct a hypothesis test. Form proportion. Two requirements must be met. Suppose P equals 1/2. What is the smallest n can be and both requirements still be met? How do we do that one?
So that one's just
your
NP.
NP.
You set it up
Greater or
to
equal to
10.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you just solve for n
for n
for each of those
for
equations.
each of those equations.
What is our 60? Okay.
60. Okay.
So it's number 9. 60 times 0.5.
5.
You shouldn't have to use
You shouldn't have to use any
sample size.
sample size
for a sample
for a
size.
sample size.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah, you just use P
P
that they gave you.
that they gave you.
Oh, because it's not P half.
Because it's not P half.
Right?
Right?
So did you?
Okay.
And then 10 is the exact same thing, but just with different numbers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You always use the
You always
bigger
use the
N
bigger N.
because that'll fulfill both requirements.
Okay. Let's see what I can do.
So did you get? So what were the two you got? Did you get n equals 1 and n equals 11.1? 1?
Um,
Um,
for number 10,
for number 10,
Yeah.
I got
I
n
got
equals
n equals
100
100
and n
and
equals
n equals
11.11.
11.11.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I did that the first one. Yeah, so 100. That's what I wanted to get. Yeah.
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 I multiplied instead of divided. So
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
So then we would say n equals 100.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
So
I
9
do a
is
lot
20,
better.
right?
9 is 20, right?
I didn't hear all that.
What did you
I
get?
didn't hear all that.
20 for 9?
20 for 9?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's where I'm at.
That's where
Now
I'm
I'm
at.
on.
Maybe I did that one wrong again. Okay. I know what I did wrong. I did the same thing. I multiplied, divided.
Oh, yeah. So 9
Yeah, so 9
Yeah, so it's
is 20.
You're right.
is
9 is
20.
20.
Yeah, 9 is 20.
10 is 100.
10 is 100.
Okay. 11 through 16. Okay, for the water quality study and the reading, about 60% of the macroinvertebrate water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. The researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased. They conduct a hypothesis test using significance level 0.05 with the following hypothesis. They collect new data, and this time n equals 80 and x equals 38 indicate good health. The conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied.
Okay.
Okay.
Um,
So we just do the
So
same
we
thing,
just do
just with
the same thing,
NP,
just with NP,
yeah.
and use the
and
0.6
use the 0.6
because it's
Yes.
for
because
the
it's for
hypothesis.
the hypothesis.
Yeah. So n equals 80 times 0.6. $48. Yep. And then 80 times. Okay, so yeah, I got true. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you
So
get 48
Did you
as
get
one of them?
48 as one of them?
Yep.
Okay.
What was that?
What was that?
I got 48 for one of
48
them and 32
for one of them.
for the other one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
The actual values.
Actual values.
So true.
True.
Okay.
Okay.
What is p hat?
What is P hat?
X is 38.
It's 38.
Reading. So for 12,
So for 12,
0.475.
0.475.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so then what did you get for Z for this test statistic?
I got negative
I got
2.282.
-2.282.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got. And then in the probability applet, would you put it shaded to the left because it's less than? Is that what it's asking?
Yeah, you shade it to the
Yeah, you
left
should
because
it
it's
to
less
the
than,
left because it's less than.
Cool. And so
and you
then
shade
you
it to the
got
left of the negative
To the
score.
left of negative score.
Yeah, yeah. So then did you get 0.011?
Yep.
Yep.
Cool. And then with that we reject the null because that's more than. Oh wait, no, that's less. Just joking. So we fail to reject.
No, I think we do reject.
No, I think we did reject.
Okay.
Hmm.
So if it's smaller, we reject it. If it's bigger than.
Yeah, because
Because
if
if
P is small,
P is small,
then reject the
then
null.
reject the null.
And
And
I kind of think of it as the
I kind of think it as
probability
the probability
of
of
it happening, I
it
guess,
happening, I
of
guess.
the null
The
hypothesis
null
happening.
hypothesis happening.
Mm-hmm.
And so if it's small, then you don't have a huge probability of it
Have a
happening,
probability of it happening.
Oh,
so you
okay.
reject it.
So you reject it.
Okay, gotcha.
I'm on 13.
I'm on
No
13.
Janae. But did you get negative 2.282?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then Victoria, for 16, did you get there sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has not decreased?
I put that it
I
has
put that it
decreased.
has decreased.
That it has decreased?
Because you're kind of like
Because you're kind
accepting
of like accepting
the alternative
the
hypothesis,
alternative hypothesis,
which was that it had
which was
decreased.
that it had decreased.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Is the p-value 0.0225?
Value
I have
I have
0.011.
011.
How can I always do? Oh, I know why.
Oh, I know why.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Got it.
Zero. Okay. What's our alpha?
What's our alpha?
0.05.
0.05.
Did you figure it out for 14?
14?
Yes, I did. Thank you. I got
Yes, I did.
0.01.
Thank you. I got 0.01.
I accidentally shaded both
I
tails.
accidentally shaded both
To
tails.
the left,
To the left.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
right?
Right.
Yeah, just the left.
Yeah, just the left. Okay.
We reject the null, don't we?
We reject the null, don't we?
Yeah.
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 Okay, I'm on 16.
16.
It's the first answer.
First answer.
Means we can reject the null.
Reject the null.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Evidence.
Evidence.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we go over the values just real
Can we
quick?
go over the values just real quick?
Okay, for 6, I have 0.75.
0.75.
7 is a second choice.
7 is a second choice.
Just be sure to have the 3 decimal places on number 6.
Oh,
Like, be
should
sure
we?
to add 0 at the end. So.
Put 0.750?
750.
Yeah, because you do
Okay,
need 3.
thank you.
Okay. Yep.
8 is decreased.
8 is decreased.
9 is 20.
9 is 20.
10 is 100.
10 is 100.
11 is true. 12 is 0.475.
Mm-hmm.
13 is negative.
13 is negative.
2.282.
2.282.
14 is
14 is the p-value.
0.011.
0.011.
Mm-hmm.
And then we reject the null.
Reject the null.
And 16 is the first choice.
16 is the first choice.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
All right.
All right.
So Walker, are you sad that Downton Abbey?
So Walker, are you sad that Downton Abbey is
The Downton Abbey what?
That it's over. I'm sad.
and it's over?
Yeah.
Downton Abbey.
So now we're watching what's it called? Into the Woods.
Into the woods.
Into the woods.
Once Upon a Time. I'm sorry. Once Upon a Time. They have to do with fairy tales. So.
I watched that shit too.
I watched that shit too.
Once upon a
Once
time.
upon a time.
I think I got that one.
Yeah, I like it. It's good. I've only seen one episode, but it was good.
Is that the modern
Is that
day
the modern
like,
day
fairy tale with Snow White?
Yeah.
Snow White.
Rumpelstiltskin?
Yeah, it is.
Rumpelstiltskin.
Yeah, I watched that on Netflix.
Netflix.
They streamed that one.
That one.
Yeah, I like it. I've only seen one episode, but it was really good. Well, awesome.
Virtual high five. Virtual high five.
Fist bump.
Woo!
Woo!
Well, perfect. Well, I will see you guys on